In this video, I'm going to continue with question number 9, problems 2.3 from elementary number theory by D.M. Borden. Establish that the difference of two consecutive cubes is never divisible by 2. If n and n plus 1 are two consecutive integers, then the consecutive cubes would be n cube and n plus 1 whole thing cube. Okay, we have to show that the difference of two consecutive cubes, that is n plus 1 whole thing cube minus n cube, is never divisible by 2. Here we will check for two cases, when n is even and when n is odd. First case, when n is even, we can write n as a multiple of 2 for some integer q. Then what do we have? N plus 1 whole thing cube minus n cube is equal to 2q plus 1 whole thing cube minus n cube. We apply the formula. We have 2q whole thing cube plus 3 2q whole thing square into 1 plus 3 into 2q into 1 square plus 1 cube. Here it should be 2q cube. Okay, minus from here we have 2q cube. Okay, see, positive and negative gets cancelled, and here we have 2 square is 4 into 3 we have 12 q square, and here we have 6q plus 1. Okay, from here we take 2, then we have 6q square plus 3q. We know that q is an integer, so this would be another integer, say k, where k is equal to 6q square plus 3q, which is an integer. See, this one is odd. Okay, so 2 does not divide an odd number. Okay, this is when n is even. Now second case, when n is odd, then n is equal to 2q plus 1. q is an integer. Then n plus 1 whole thing cube minus n cube is equal to 2q plus 1 whole thing cube minus 2q plus 1 whole thing cube. Okay, from here we have 2 like this. Apply the formula a plus b whole thing cube. Here we have 2q whole thing cube plus 3 2q square into 2 plus 3 into 2q into 2 square plus 2q minus we have 2q whole thing cube plus 3 2q square into 1 plus 3 into 2q into 1 square plus 1 cube. This is equal to, we have 8q cube minus 24q square plus 24q plus 8, and then minus 8q cube minus 12q square minus 6q minus 1. Okay, so This one gets cancelled with this. Okay, wait a minute. Here it should be plus. I made a mistake. So this with this we have 12 q square. This with this we have plus 24q with minus 6q we have 18q, and then plus 8 with minus 1 we have 7. See, we can modify this one. Here we have 6 plus 1. Okay, then we can take common 2. We have 6q square plus 9q plus 3 plus 1. Now see, q is an integer. This one would be another integer, say k dash plus 1. K dash is equal to 6q square plus 9q plus 3. Okay, now this is again odd. So 2 does not divide an odd number. So when n is odd, 2 does not divide this term. Similarly, when n is even, it does not divide this one. So we conclude that 2 does not divide the difference of the two consecutive cubes.